In this video, I will show you how to add your Crypto.com card to your Apple Wallet. To do this, go and open up Crypto.com, head over to Card in the bottom right, and here you will see the button Add to Apple Wallet if you haven't done so yet. So click Add to Apple Wallet, then click Continue, then read and agree to the terms and conditions, and then you will see the check saying Adding Card. Now here verifies you by having a message sent to your phone number, so simply enter the code they send to your phone number right here, and then go and click on Next. And now you have added it. You can now choose to set it as your default card if you want to, or click Not Now. But now when you double click on the on and off button on your phone, you will then have your card right here. And if you set it as the default, it will show up here by default. Otherwise, you need to click at the cards in the bottom and it will show up right there. So now you know how to add your Crypto.com card to your Apple Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.